Hello everyone and welcome. This is the Aufero Laser 2 that was sent to me by the good people from Aufero. This laser has a cutting area and engraving area about 15 by 15 inches. It also has dual eye protection goggles and protection around the laser itself. This laser has the LU24SF laser module. It has a real output power of 4.5 to 5.5 watts, and that is optical output power. There are some lasers on the market that claim to be high power, something in the neighborhood of 90 watts, 80 watts, or 70 watts, but that's not true for a diode lasers. Most diode lasers are 5, 10, 15, 20 watts. The power that the other laser companies claim, like 90 watts or 100 watts, that's the power that actually takes to power the laser itself. But the actual output power, the optical output power, is what you should be looking at. In my next video about this laser, you will actually see me cutting out parts for the Airbus A350 that I'm working on, and some internal parts for a model rocket that I'm working on as well. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.